Can you solve this algebraic maths puzzle using your knowledge of the laws of logarithms? Pause this video and attempt to solve this maths exercise. I would solve it by using some of the laws of logarithms. Consider the product and quotient rules where the exponents are different. Apply the product and quotient rules to separate and factorize 4 power x. Watch the previous video tutorials explaining how to apply some of the laws of logarithms. The link to the video tutorials are provided in the description. You can also click on the link at the top right-hand side of your screen to watch the related videos. Apply another law of logarithms such that the logarithmic function is introduced to both sides of the equation provided the bases are the same. Also apply the law of logarithms, which allows a number to move from the position of power to the position of coefficient in the logarithmic function. The next step is to apply the law of logarithms, which allows two different logarithmic function having the same base to be merged as one logarithmic function having a new base. Then break down 80 to 16 multiplied by 5. This simplified form will reveal the relationship between number 16 and base 4. Apply the rule of logarithms that allows for the exponents of the number and base to divide when the number and base look alike. Change 16 to 4 power 2. The final simplified form is 2 plus log base 4 of 5 divided by 3. Now you have learned how to manipulate algebraic expressions while using the laws of logarithms. Please like, comment and share for more reach. Subscribe for more math tutorials.